Hey, what's up? This is Reed with Squatch Talks. All this week is International Dark Sky Week. So be sure to turn off the lights on your house and enjoy a beautiful night sky. The Big Bear Valley is one of the best spots to check out a beautiful night sky, especially over on the eastern end of the valley. You even see the Milky Way. Not just the chocolate bar either, but the actual Milky Way. And Care for Big Bear is running their Dark Sky Initiative. Be sure to take the pledge on our website, bigbear.com. The 25th through the 27th of this week is HamEscape, so be sure to bring your favorite skillet to cook up some bacon on it. Okay. Sorry, boss. This just in, it's actually for ham radios. So this event will have tons of great seminars, networking opportunities, and even a kids zone. Be sure to bring the entire family up and enjoy this great event. Remember, it's the 25th through the 27th of this month. The 26th is our first annual Run Wild through Moonridge event. Starting at Dank Donuts and running through the Rathbun Creek Trail and into the zoo itself. You guys will be able to enjoy some refreshments, a nice view as you run by, and you'll even get to enjoy a costume party and a free entry into the zoo. So be sure to check that out as well. And now for our featured partner of the week, the Pines Lakefront. I am currently in the parking lot because they won't let me in. That's because it's closed on Tuesdays. So be sure to stop by over the weekend. They've got some really good crab legs, some great cuts of steak, and they've even got some vegetarian options. So be sure to swing by, enjoy an awesome view of the lake, and some awesome food. This weekend is perfect weather for that too. It'll be 60. I ain't no weatherman, but I'm sure it'll be 60 somewhere, because it's always 5 o'clock somewhere too. And as you can tell, perfect weather to get your fishing on and practice for fishing for 50K, happening in June. Since we're here at the Pines, how do pine trees access the internet? They log on. You know, I would make a tree joke, but that might get a little sappy. You know, I'm gonna make like a tree one of these days and leave. You know why trees hate tests? They get stumped by the questions. Gotta keep that bit in there too. These words I'm about to articulate to you. Whew.